Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So when we are meeting someone, at the end of the meeting, we must request Allah with this dua. And even if if someone come to talk with us, so at the end we have to request Allah with this dua. So even if you are delivering some message to someone, at the end you have to request Allah with this dua. So anything which has been done, something wrong within the talking, so Allah will forgive InshaAllah because of this dua. So this dua is very important. So every time when we say something, at the end we have to request Allah with this dua. So we read this dua. Subhanakalla Humma Wabihamdika Ashhadu Ilaha Anta Astagfiruka wa Atubu Ilaik. Subhanakalla Humma Wabihamdika Ashhadu Ilaha Anta Astagfiruka wa Atubu Ilaik. Subhanakalla Humma Wabihamdika Ashhadu Ilaha Anta Astagfiruka wa Atubu Ilaik. Subhanakalla Humma. Glory to you, O Allah. Wabihamdika, and all praises and thanks are for you, O Allah. Ashhadu, I certify, Allah Ilaha, that there is none worthy of worship, illa Anta, but you, O Allah. Astaghfiruka, I request you for forgiveness of my sins. Wa atubu ilaik, and I return to you with tawbah. This dua is also mentioned in 4 books of Hadith: Tirmidhi, Abu Dawud, Nisai, Ibn Majah. So we have to request Allah with this dua at the end of meeting, at the end of talking, at the end of session, when we are delivering lecture or when we are delivering message. We have to request Allah with this dua. InshaAllah, Allah will forgive all types of things which are unliked by Islam. So we have to we try our best to make our conversation in the limits of Islam. But if something has been done unknowingly out of the limit, so hopefully Allah will InshaAllah forgive with this dua when we request Allah at the end of the meeting or session, or at the end of talking or conversation. So we have to request Allah with this dua. InshaAllah, we will get Allah's blessings and forgiveness also. So Subhanakalla Humma Wabihamdika Ashhadu Ilaha Anta Astagfiruka wa Atubu Ilaik. Purify to you, O Allah. All praises and thanks are for you. I certify that there is none worthy of worship but you, O Allah. I request you for forgiveness of my sins and return to you with tawbah. So we have to request Allah with this dua. InshaAllah, Allah will forgive us and we will get Allah's mercies, InshaAllah, at the day of judgment. Allah give us tawfiq to do it at the end of meeting. Ameen.